Choosing the best material for kitchen cabinets depends on factors like budget, durability, aesthetics, and maintenance. Here are the most common materials used for kitchen cabinets, along with their pros and cons. Solid wood kitchen cabinets are a premium choice that adds timeless elegance, durability, and warmth to any kitchen. Crafted from natural wood, these cabinets offer a distinctive aesthetic that resonates with traditional and modern design preferences alike. Here's a deeper dive into what makes solid wood kitchen cabinets a sought-after option. Features of solid wood kitchen cabinets. Natural appeal. Solid wood showcases the unique grain patterns and rich textures of natural wood, providing a sense of authenticity and warmth that manufactured materials often lack. Durability. Known for their strength and long-lasting nature, solid wood cabinets can withstand daily wear and tear, making them an excellent investment for busy kitchens. Customizable finish. Solid wood can be painted, stained, or refinished to match evolving kitchen aesthetics, allowing flexibility in design over the years. Works seamlessly with various styles, from rustic farmhouse kitchens to luxurious contemporary designs. Can be paired with different countertop materials like quartz, granite, or marble to create a stunning contrast. Scratches or dents can be sanded out and refinished, extending the life of the cabinets. Eco-friendliness. Many solid wood cabinets are made from sustainable materials, ensuring a lower environmental impact compared to synthetic alternatives. PVC kitchen cabinets. Polyvinyl chloride is a synthetic plastic material that has gained popularity in kitchen cabinetry for its affordability, durability, and low maintenance. PVC cabinets come in two main forms, hollow boards and foam boards, each offering unique benefits. Here's a detailed breakdown. Pros of PVC kitchen cabinets. Affordable. PVC cabinets are one of the most cost-effective options for modular kitchens. Ideal for budget-conscious homeowners looking for value without compromising basic quality. Waterproof. PVC is completely resistant to water, making it a perfect choice for wet areas like kitchens. No fear of swelling, warping, or damage from leaks and spills. Termite-proof. Unlike wooden cabinets, PVC is immune to termites and other pests, ensuring long-lasting performance. Low maintenance. Cleaning PVC cabinets is hassle-free. They require just a wipe with a damp cloth to remove stains or dust. Their non-porous surface resists stains and scratches to a large extent. Lightweight. PVC cabinets are much lighter than traditional wood or plywood, making them easy to install and handle. Variety of colors and designs. Available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and finishes to suit various kitchen styles. Perfect for modern or contemporary kitchen designs. Cons of PVC kitchen cabinets. Lack of durability. Compared to wood or plywood, PVC is less durable and may not withstand heavy loads or rough use. Stainless steel kitchen cabinets. Stainless steel kitchen cabinets are a popular choice for modern kitchens, known for their durability, sleek appearance, and low maintenance. They are widely used in both residential and commercial kitchens, offering a clean, industrial aesthetic. Here's a detailed explanation. Durability. Highly resistant to wear and tear, ensuring a long lifespan. Does not warp or degrade in humid or wet conditions. Hygienic and easy to clean. Non-porous surface resists bacteria and mold. Wipeable surface makes it easy to maintain a clean kitchen environment. Modern aesthetic. Provides a sleek, industrial look that is both stylish and functional. Reflective surfaces enhance natural and artificial lighting. Fire and heat resistance. Stainless steel can withstand high temperatures without damage, making it ideal for use near stoves and ovens. Eco-friendly. 100% recyclable, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Laminates kitchen cabinets. Laminate kitchen cabinets are one of the most popular choices for modern and functional kitchens due to their affordability, durability, and variety in styles. Laminates are made by pressing together layers of thin sheets of wood or paper with resins under high pressure. These are then pasted onto a substrate like MDF, particle board, or plywood to create the cabinet surface. Matte finish. Subtle and elegant look with minimal glare. Ideal for a classic or understated kitchen design. Glossy finish. Shiny and reflective surface that adds brightness and a modern touch. Works well in contemporary kitchens. Textured laminates. Mimic natural materials like wood, stone, or leather. Offer a tactile feel and visual depth. High pressure laminates HPL. Extremely durable and suitable for high traffic areas. Better resistance to heat and moisture compared to regular laminates. Acrylic laminates. High gloss and mirror-like finish, giving a premium look. More expensive than standard laminates. High gloss laminates enhance sleek, contemporary designs. Affordable and stylish, perfect for cost-conscious homeowners. Durable and easy to clean, ideal for everyday use. Maintenance tips for laminate kitchen cabinets: regular cleaning. Wipe down with a damp cloth to remove grease and stains. Avoid abrasive cleaners that may damage the surface. Protect from heat. Use heat shields or place cabinets away from direct heat sources.